We could get another component if you like. We can back up. We could just go straight over to thick film. And again, the first thing you want to do is just click these to get rid of it. Look at it. It goes from 500,000 down to 63,000. That's a big deal. It really helps. And then since you're doing 805, we could just build from there and then subtract whenever. So we could find actually let's just build one that's all your parameters. So you want 1/8 watt, and then you also mentioned you 1/8 watt, 1%. I don't know if it's gonna give current rating in here. We might have to knock some stuff out some more. Yeah, let's knock more shit out. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, so now you've got all these parameters up here, and you really just need to put in your resistance value. So let's say you wanted to do 20K. So here's 20K right on the level. You can click that, and now there's 19. Let's do a more common value here, 100K. There's 44. And then once you choose it, and you go through the thing with, sorting the shopping cart, and then going through and looking for which ones work for you, which ones you want to get. Once you're done and you can, back up or whatever, and you get to this, and you can just remove resistance, and now you're right back to that initial setting, so you can find, 180K. Boom, apply. And if you're trying to if you're trying to fill your shopping cart up efficiently, this is my crazy man jam.